In a world obsessed with doing more, achieving faster, and pushing harder, what if the true wisdom of life was to simply let go? What if instead of fighting the current, the secret was to flow with it? Imagine a philosophy that whispers, not shouts, that teaches not through rigid commandments, but through silence, stillness, and observing the unfolding of nature itself. This is not a New Age invention or a recent mindfulness trend. It's a path that has been quietly guiding seekers for over 2 millennia. It's called Taoism, and it invites you to return not to the chaos of the modern mind, but to the source, to the Tao. Welcome to The Unfolding Journey, the YouTube channel where we explore timeless wisdom, spiritual traditions, and the gentle art of living deeply in harmony with ourselves and the world. If you've ever felt like life's noise has drowned out your inner voice, you're in the right place. Here, we learn to listen again. Today, we'll explore Taoism, not just as a philosophy, but as a way of being. Taoism, also spelled Taoism, is an ancient Chinese philosophy and spiritual tradition rooted in living harmoniously with the Tao, a word that literally translates to the way. But what is the Tao? The Tao is not a god or a being. It cannot be seen, named, or fully understood. The Tao is the unnameable source of all existence, the flow of the universe, the rhythm of nature, the very essence that moves all things. The Tao is the way the river flows, how trees grow, how clouds form, and how life emerges, transforms, and returns. It is at once everything and nothing. Taoism teaches us not to conquer the world, but to align with it. Instead of striving for control, we embrace spontaneity. Instead of imposing our will, we learn to yield, like bamboo in the wind. Taoism traces its roots back to the 6th century BCE, with its founding figure Laozi, a sage whose name means old master. According to legend, Laozi grew disillusioned with the moral decay of society and retreated from civilization. Before leaving, he was asked to record his wisdom, resulting in a short yet profound text, the Tao Te Ching. Just 81 verses long, the Tao Te Ching is one of the most translated books in the world. It's poetic, paradoxical, and filled with imagery from nature, emphasizing softness over force, simplicity over excess, and humility over pride. Later, another influential Taoist, Zhuangzi, expanded on these ideas with humor and surrealism, challenging human concepts of good and bad, right and wrong, and even life and death. Together, Laozi and Zhuangzi laid the philosophical foundation of Taoism, a tradition that continues to evolve today. Let's break down some of the central ideas in Taoism that define this ancient and deeply subtle path. The Tao, the way. At the heart of Taoism is the Tao itself. It is the natural order of the universe, the flow of life that moves without effort. The opening lines of the Tao Te Ching declare, "The Tao that can be spoken is not the eternal Tao." This tells us something critical. The Tao is beyond words, beyond definitions. It must be experienced, not explained. It's not about intellectual understanding, but direct attunement, like listening to a song, not analyzing the sheet music. Wu Wei, effortless action. Perhaps the most famous Taoist concept is Wu Wei, often translated as non-doing or effortless action. But Wu Wei is not laziness or passivity. It's about aligning your actions with the flow of nature, rather than forcing things. Think of a skilled surfer riding a wave. They are active, but they don't fight the ocean. Their movements are graceful because they're in harmony with the water. Wu Wei teaches us that the best way to deal with challenges is not always to attack them head-on, but to adapt, yield, and flow around them. Yin and Yang. Taoism sees the world as a dance of opposites. Light and dark, hard and soft, life and death, motion and stillness. These are not in conflict, but in balance, like the yin-yang symbol, where black and white swirl together, each containing a dot of the other. Yin and Yang remind us that nothing is absolute. Strength may come through softness. Stillness may hold more power than motion. The Tao is not found in extremes, but in the balance between them. Simplicity and naturalness. Taoism values simplicity, not just minimalism in possessions, but in thought, speech, and action. The Taoist sage avoids overcomplicating life. They live close to nature, speak little, and let go of rigid desires. This idea of Ziren, or naturalness, means living according to your true nature, unforced, authentic, and spontaneous. It's about being who you are without trying to perform or prove anything. Compassion, humility, and moderation. Though Taoism avoids strict moral commandments, it emphasizes 3 essential virtues. Compassion, acting with kindness and empathy. Humility, avoiding arrogance or the need to dominate. Moderation, knowing when enough is enough. Laozi calls these the three treasures, and they form a quiet code of wisdom for living harmoniously. Unlike many Western philosophies that place humans above or apart from nature, Taoism sees humans as part of the natural world. We are not separate from the trees, rivers, and stars. We are nature. Taoist monks often live in mountains, meditate in forests, and drink from streams. But you don't have to leave the city to live the Tao. All it takes is stillness, presence, and deep listening. By observing nature, a falling leaf, a flowing stream, a bird in flight, we begin to understand the Tao. The Tao is everywhere, always speaking to us if only we learn how to hear it. So how can we begin to live the Tao in our everyday lives? Pause before reacting. Let the situation unfold a little before you act. Spend time in nature, not to escape the world, but to remember what you're part of. Let go of forcing things. Some doors open only when you stop pushing. Simplify. Your space, your thoughts, your schedule. Embrace the unknown. Trust the process, even when the path isn't clear. Taoism isn't a religion that demands belief. It's a way of life that invites practice. And like a tree growing or a river flowing, there's no rush. Just presence. Taoism views death not as an end, but as a return, like a wave returning to the ocean. Because everything arises from the Tao and returns to it, death is not something to be feared. It is simply another transformation, another phase of the great cycle. Zhuangzi famously laughed when his wife died, saying death was just another stage of existence. His peace came from knowing that life and death are both natural, both part of the flow. This acceptance can be deeply liberating. Though it began in ancient China, Taoism has quietly spread across the world. You'll find its influence in martial arts like Tai Chi, in Chinese medicine and acupuncture, in calligraphy and poetry. But beyond formal practices, Taoism's greatest gift may be its spirit, a way of seeing the world with softness, clarity, and reverence. In a society that often values speed, control, and achievement, Taoism gently reminds us to slow down, to stop grasping, to return to what is simple and true. Taoism doesn't offer easy answers. It doesn't promise wealth, success, or enlightenment, but it does offer a way back to the real, to what is timeless, grounding, and whole. In the words of Laozi, when nothing is done, nothing is left undone. It's a paradox, yes, but also a truth. When we stop trying to control everything, life moves through us effortlessly. We become part of the dance, part of the Tao. And that, perhaps, is the greatest peace. If this journey through Taoism has stirred something in you, a curiosity, a sense of home, or just a breath of calm in a busy day, then consider joining us here on the unfolding journey. We'll continue exploring wisdom traditions, spiritual insights, and practices that help us live more mindfully and meaningfully. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and walk with us on this path of unfolding. Not toward more, but toward less and toward what truly matters. Until next time, may you flow like water, stay rooted like trees, and move gently with the way. Peace.